GiggleBellies!
All right, boys and girls, are you ready to learn your colors with these mega monster trucks?
Yeah!
Let's meet today's racers. Red. Orange.
Yeah!
Yellow. Green.
Awesome!
Blue. Purple. Pink.
Yay!
All right then, monster trucks, time to start your engines and get ready to race. And 3, 2, 1, go! They're off to a flying start. These trucks must be late for playtime. They're already at record speed. And over the first jump, what color truck is that? Red! Which color is next? Yellow! And which color truck is next across the jump? Green! That was flipping excellent!
Yeah!
Woohoo!
Whoa! He caught the wheelie!
Yes!
I just about fell off my chair! Which color truck is that? Orange!
Yahoo!
Yeah!
Yippee!
Whoa! The boys better watch out!
Yeah!
Which color is that? Pink!
Yes! Wahoo! Woohoo! Yippee!
It's incredible! They're really fighting for the lead!
Yeah!
Which color truck is this now? Purple!
Yippee! Yahoo! Yeah!
Whoa! Flying like a jumbo jet!
Wahoo!
Which color is this speedy truck? Blue! Look at him showing off!
Yay!
They're almost at the finish line! Hold on to your hats, folks! This one's going down in the history books!
Woohoo!
As they cross the finish line, let's give these brilliant trucks a big cheer! Shout out their colors to let them know how awesome they are! Here we go! Blue!
Yippee!
Yellow! Red!
Awesome!
Purple!
Yeah!
Orange!
Yay!
Pink!
Wahoo!
Green!
Yay!
Massive congratulations to all our winners! And sitting pretty in first place is Blue!
Yay!
Coming up just a shade behind in second, Yellow! Our talented third place is going to Red!
Yay!
These wonderful trucks are also super interesting for a different reason.
Yeah!
Did you know that they are the primary colors?
Oh!
That's right! The primary colors are red, yellow, and blue! Every other color that you can possibly think of is made by mixing these 3 primary colors. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah!
How would you like to learn more about these fantastic colors?
Yeah!
Well, all right. Let's have a look at this next video where the monster trucks have some fun with primary colors.
Woohoo!